Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the battle.net application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and type in your email address and your password. After entering your credentials, you will be logged in and taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to change the language for the Hearthstone game, click on the Games tab, and from the installed section, go ahead and click on the Hearthstone game. Once you find the game, alongside the play button, click on the options gear icon, and then click on Game Settings. You will now be taken into the Hearthstone Game Settings menu. From here, you will see the text and spoken language drop down. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now see the various different languages that are available for this game. Click on whichever language you wish to change into, and you will be told that you may need to download new data to change the language. Click on the OK button to confirm and start the download process. And once the download is completed, your language will be selected and applied to the game right away. After choosing your language, tap on the Done button, and now you can start your game, and your chosen language will be applied to it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Hearthstone game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.